Hey everybody, Bazooka30215 here. Yeah, the reason I'm making this video is because we got a new fridge slash freezer. Now normally this isn't a big deal here, but it kind of is because our old one was a piece of shit and it didn't do things such as cool food, stuff like that, just simple tasks. Like, see this one? It's got water in the door. Our last one didn't work. That's always a plus, you know, water. And oh, this one's got ice. Look. We're gonna crush or cute key. Okay. Oh, there it is. Isn't that crazy? I'm so excited about that for some reason. And it has you can change the temperature and all that crap, which is just unnecessary. And you click on these things and stuff comes out, but then we also have a water button for no reason, and this thing comes out. That's pretty cool. But yeah, it's one of those. It's so bright. It's glorious. It's so bright the camera can't handle it. It's just so glorious. Well, we don't really have much in here, if y'all can see anything, because all our old food is rotten, because, yeah, that's what happens when your refrigerator breaks. And some of you may be wondering, hey Dan, where did the old refrigerator go? Well, we wanted it somewhere that we could remember, and it's out there. So that's our old refrigerator out there, if y'all can't tell. Piece of crap. Yeah. Anyway, well, which is really cool, because in the title you notice it says Supercooling, new technique. The reason I haven't been able to freeze anything with our old one, but our new one come with this little bottom freezer, which is pretty ballin', if I do say so myself. But I want to show you something cool. See these little things right here? Oh crap, that's already starting. This one's starting. Blue one. See the, as you can see there, the red is still red. See the bubble? See the bubble? See, it's insta freezing. Is that not the coolest shit ever? Oh, the bubble got frozen. So anyway, yeah, that's pretty cool. So you just kind of door alarm. It seemed like it should have done it. Oh well, you guys get the picture. They freeze up and stuff. So I'm gonna eat me some Freezy Pops, and y'all have a wonderful day. This has been Bazooka30215. I'm out.